Welcome to a video by Oxford. This is a one video. We have got these two cylinders. Red one is a carbon dioxide cylinder. This one is a carbon dioxide cylinder. Here it is very easy to use. This one is a lifting handle, and this is a nozzle where we have this nozzle stopcock, and the nozzle you can attach the 8 mm rubber tube with this, and this one is attached and sealed with the gasket. So when you open this, the gas will come out and it can go directly to the desired item. This one is one we have got this cylinder for fermentation apparatus, and this one is a oxygen cylinder. We have got this oxygen cylinder here. This is a fermentation vessel we are supplying to one university where the processes can be done with the in the condition of the carbon dioxide or in the oxygen. Oxygen cylinder, they are very easy to use. This one has a system here. This one is a stopcock. It opens on this left side. It opens on this rotating on the left side when you have to open it, and then close it on the right side. This is a regulator where we can regulate the oxygen. You can see the bubbles. Here we can see the oxygen, how much is the pressure inside the cylinder, and this one is a regulator. You can see this. We can check. Here it goes. There is a valve. Here speed of the air can be, see this, can be adjusted. It tells you, but you have to use it very slowly. And here we have the attachment. This one is for attaching the, this is for humidity, or you can check how much is the speed of the gear going, and this one is only in liters if it is to be done with a huge quantity. Here we have the attachment, 8 mm attachment. This one is attached to the cylinder. You can close it after using it, then close it. Both these, close this two, and this and has to be closed. Please visit the website and share the videos, like the videos, subscribe the channel in the abron01@gmail.com, info@abronexports.com. You can send the order to Abron Exports, and this is for export and India also. In export, we do not supply the cylinder with the gas. It is supplied empty, but for any institution, they can be supplied. But these are personally being delivered. This section comes to you separately. You have to attach it and see the things.